Hi, and welcome to IEC Wi-Fi Thermostat Setup Tutorial. We are going to walk you through setting up the IEC Wi-Fi thermostat, connecting it to your Wi-Fi network, setting up a Skyport account, and connecting your Wi-Fi thermostat to your Skyport account. The items you need to complete the setup include your IEC Wi-Fi thermostat, an internet connection with Wi-Fi access point, a mobile device with the IEC Configurator app installed, and a tablet or computer to set up your Skyport account. Once you have your thermostat installed and powered up, the first step is to install the Configurator app. Let me show you how. Navigate to the App Store on your mobile device and search for IEC Configurator. Then, download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, launch it from your home screen. Next, locate the button that says IEC Thermostat and press it. Now, you are going to select the Setup Wi-Fi button. On your IEC thermostat, press and hold the fan button for 5 seconds, and the words Wireless Setup menu will scroll across the screen. Press the down arrow, and you will see AP Mode Activate on the screen. Press Continue on your mobile device. Now we're going to link your mobile device to the IEC thermostat. Remember this information because we will use this in a moment. Now, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device and look for the network that starts with thermostat. Select it and input the password of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and press Join. Now navigate back to the Configurator app and press the Continue button. On this screen, choose the Wi-Fi network you want the IEC thermostat to use and enter in the network password. When you are finished, select Done and press the Continue button. In a few seconds, you will see the Connected to Wi-Fi icon appear on your thermostat screen, indicating your thermostat is now connected to your wireless network. Press the Finish button on the mobile device to complete the setup. Now that we have connected the IEC thermostat to Wi-Fi, the next step is to create a Skyport account and add your thermostat to the account. Direct your browser to iec.skyportcloud.com to get started. Once you have entered iec.skyportcloud.com in your browser, you will be presented with this page. If you don't already have a Skyport account, select Create Account here to get started. Enter in the necessary information required, then select Sign Up. You will be prompted to check for an email from Skyport Cloud Accounts with a confirmation link. Navigate to your email, search for the email from Skyport Cloud Accounts, then select the Confirm Email button. Now that you've completed your Skyport registration, navigate back to iec.skyportcloud.com and log into your Skyport account. From this home screen, you will first need to create a location for your thermostat. Select the Add a New Location tile on the screen. You must set up a location before a thermostat can be tied to the Skyport account. Type in the location name for your thermostat. For example, add the name of the business, building, or even floor level. After you type in your zip code, confirm that the time zone, city, and state are correct, or edit as necessary. Click Submit. Once you have set up a location, click the Add a New Thermostat tile. From the drop-down menu, select the location where you would like to add the thermostat. Select the icon that looks like the thermostat you've installed, and review the instructions to retrieve your thermostat's 6-digit pairing code. On the thermostat, press and hold the fan button for 5 seconds, and the words Wireless Setup menu will scroll on the screen. Now press the up arrow. In a few seconds, you will see a 6-digit code appear on the screen. If Skyport Paired scrolls on the screen, this thermostat is already paired to a Skyport account. Type in the 6-digit pairing code into the field on your browser, then select Add Thermostat. Now that you have successfully added the thermostat to a location, let's give the thermostat a name. Click the 3 dots at the top right corner of the thermostat tile. Select Thermostat Info. Name the thermostat. For example, if you have installed the thermostat in a multi-unit building, you can name it the room number. We recommend you test your thermostat connection by adjusting the temperature up or down. In this example, we adjust the Cool 2 temperature to 76. Look at your thermostat and you will see the changes appear on the screen. Congratulations! You have now successfully added the thermostat to your location. You can add additional thermostats to that location by selecting the Add a New Thermostat tile again. Repeat the pairing process. If you have more than one location with thermostats, you can add another location by selecting the Add a New Location button at the top left of the screen. If you'd like to monitor and control your thermostat on the go, be sure to download our mobile app, which gives you the power of Skyport on your mobile device. Simply search for IEC Skyport in your App Store. There are up to 37 custom settings on the thermostat. To access the settings, press the Mode and Fan button together for 5 seconds and scroll through each setting by pressing the Mode button. For more detailed instructions, reference the owner's manual found on our website at www.iec-okc.com.